Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. Not on the Strip this time, but on Flamingo Road. We're going to check out the Rio Hotel and Casino today, a Caesars property. I haven't been here in like 2 years, so I'm not sure if anything's changed. Actually, it was before the pandemic was my last time here, so it's been a while. Dying to go inside and see what's what, so come along with me. This is Pho Da Nang, a Vietnamese restaurant, casual Vietnamese restaurant, right off the Rio's casino floor. Here we have KJ Dim Sum and Seafood. They make homemade wontons here, or I should say homemade dumplings, not wontons, as well as a seafood menu. Very casual and again, close to the casino floor here. And here we have the Rio Buffet. Now, Rio is a Caesars property, so Caesars really hasn't opened up that many buffets. As a matter of fact, the only one that I'm aware of that's open is at Caesars Palace here in Las Vegas. Even their Atlantic City properties no longer have buffets. So the Rio looks like they have a buffet, and they still have these signs up, but it's not even listed on the website anymore. So I'm gonna be pretty safe in saying that this buffet has been closed. And here we have the All-American Bar and Grill. If you're looking for a casual, inexpensive, well, relatively inexpensive place for comfort food, this is the place to come. And here we have Kang's Kitchen, a Korean barbecue joint, pretty lively as a matter of fact, and I guess the Rio's got the Asian food all wrapped up between the Vietnamese, the Chinese, and the Korean. All they need is a Japanese steakhouse, which they don't have. And here we have Guy Fieri's Burro Borracho restaurant, a Mexican restaurant here right at the Rio Hotel and Casino. And here we have Hash House A Go-Go, and if you're not familiar with Hash House A Go-Go, you haven't been watching my videos. They're everywhere. There's several in Las Vegas, and one just opened up at the Tropicana in Atlantic City as well. Known for breakfast and brunches, and their huge portions. Also, if you've been living under a rock, the Rio is home to Penn and Teller's Magic Show, and it's been here for years. The theater is even named after them, the Penn and Teller Theater.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
The Palazzo Suites, well, that could be confusing. Trust me, these are nothing like the Palazzo by the Venetian. And by the way, a shout out to Bumblebee, who found Clarissa Crown in my latest Atlantic City video, Christmas decorations in Atlantic City #2. Congratulations, Bumblebee, nice job.
And here we have the Cupola Cafe Fast Casual Italian Dining here at the Rio. Okay, so is it me, or is nothing open here as far as restaurants at the Rio? I don't know. Okay, a couple things going on here. If you're a fan of Kiss and you're visiting Las Vegas, then you have to visit the Rio. They have this glow-in-the-dark Kiss golf thing going on here, which is pretty cool. And right next to it, they have a Kiss store, which is more like a museum. And then there's this Kiss Beetle, which is a huge, like a Gene Simmons Beetle. I'm a big fan of Volkswagens as well, so this is kind of like my dream come true here at the Rio.
I think it's needless to say that they're blasting Kiss music here in the store, in this area of the Rio, as well as the mini glow-in-the-dark golf area. But of course, I can't play it, so just wanted to give you a heads up. That's what's going on here.
So we're all the way at the rear of the Rio, the rear of the casino, I should say. And back here is where they have all this Kiss stuff, as well as several shops and restaurants. So there's lots of slots around this area, as well as a big stage. I'm not sure when that stage is active or not, but it kind of reminds me of the Wild Wild West in Atlantic City. Lots of area for live entertainment, but I don't see anything going on right now. But again, there are this whole Kiss thing going on back here, as well as shops and restaurants.
Back here is also a rock and roll chapel where you may kiss the bride. See what I did there?
Rio is also home to the world famous Chippendales, so look at those six packs. As a matter of fact, Jeff from New York has a fantastic six-pack. I don't show it off that often, but if you're interested in seeing it, you can check it out. It's in my fridge on the second shelf.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
If you're visiting Las Vegas and you're staying on the Strip, the Rio is within walking distance. I'm a walker. I don't mind that walk. It's a good, I'm going to say 20 to 25 minutes. You have to go over Interstate 15, which means you have to go over inner passes and very busy streets. But if you're a walker, you might enjoy it. I don't suggest you do it at night. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment below. Even if you didn't, leave a comment below. Stay tuned for lots more coming from the New York channel, from Las Vegas as well as Atlantic City and cruising. Thanks for watching, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.